Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KN Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. So in the last video, I had completed the cancellation part of ticket, but at that time there was an error coming in cancelling a ticket. That is, when I was deleting or cancelling my ticket, then the details or the records from the ticket detail table was not deleting at that time. So I have done some modification in my PHP script. Okay, so I will explain you what have I done, some modification. So here, as you can see, instead of using for each loop, I have used for loop for the sake of simplicity, and also instead of deleting the records from ticket details table. Okay, this is ticket details table that is visible on the screen. As you can see, ticket number, admin ID and ticket status are the columns of ticket details table. So instead of deleting the details of ticket from ticket details tables, I am updating it. Okay, as you can see on the screen, there is a update seat number query PHP variable which stores the SQL query that is based upon the updation of ticket number. Okay, and after that we are firing this query using MySQL query method and stores the result or boolean value into the update sheet number query result PHP variable. Okay, and if this returns true, then we are incrementing our PHP j variable by 1, which is assigned 0 initially inside a if is statement on line number 142, as you can see on the screen. So this is it. Now after for loop, I am updating ticket details tables as I told you just before. Okay, when the ticket is deleted from database, we are updating that ticket number with the cancelled status instead of deleting the whole ticket number from the ticket details table. Sorry. So now if the total seats that are linked with the ticket number, if total seats is equal to the PHP j variables, then we will print a echo statement seat cancelled. So this is all about deleting ticket from a database or cancelling ticket by the user. Okay, here we are deleting passenger details from our passenger detail table corresponding to the ticket number that are going to be deleted. So, and here you can see we have taken the seat number as a PHP array because it may be possible that for a single ticket number there are more than 2 seats that are reserved, that may be reserved. Okay, so save it and see the changes. So come here on the bus ticket page. Okay, first I need to book one seats. Okay, using some ticket number. So I am booking in Gitanjali Travels bus. So here type 2 and proceed to book seat. Okay, provide 2 different random numbers as well as mobile numbers. So I am giving 2 different number my mobile number. Now I am going to add these passengers. So as you can see on the screen, passenger added successfully. Your ticket number is, so I am copying this ticket number and again clicking on proceed to book seat, and at the last I am booking to seat L1 and L2. Okay, these are available. So you can see your chosen seat are successfully booked. Now refresh this page. So as you can see, L1 and L2 seats are appears in red color because they are booked by me just now. Now I am going to cancel this ticket. Cancel ticket, provide this ticket number and click on cancel. Okay, first let me show you in database whether they are coming or not. So first go to passenger detail table. So you can see there is two name Ankit and Aman. Okay, with a ticket number 146050 whatever it is. So this should be also in bus seats table with that corresponding seat number that I have booked, L1 and L2, and status is booked. Okay, now in ticket details, so you can see 1460 status is booked. Now when I cancel my ticket, here it should be cancelled and the passenger details will be deleted. Here this will be deleted, and this inside bus seats table this status would be changed to not booked. So after cancel ticket, you can see there is a seat cancelled text is appearing on the screen. So let me check in ticket details table. So here you can see it is cancelled by the status, as well as inside passenger detail table there is no record like that. And also in bus seats you can see status is not booked is changed from booked, and ticket number is also converted to 0. So this is all about cancelling the ticket, and now this is completed successfully, and this is all about cancellation of ticket. Okay, so that's all about the same. Okay, so this is all about this video. Thank you. In the next from the next video onwards, we will see on the updation of account, and moreover we will see in the later video. Actually I don't remember actually what are the topics that are going to be covered. Okay, so see you in next video. Thank you, stay tuned with us.